Hello everybody, welcome to English 2206. I'm going to give you a little tour of the class to help you know what each button to your left is and why it's important and what you need to know to be successful in the class. So obviously we're going to start on the announcement page. That's where you'll start when you come into the class every time, and that's because it's a very important page. That's where you'll get all your announcements, obviously, updates, videos, anything like that. I post them there, and I always try to send out an email as well, but it never hurts to check your announcements at least once a day if you can. Email too. We're going to go up to the Start Here button. That makes sense, is a good place to start. So you'll see a sitemap here, and the sitemap just tells you a little bit kind of what I'm doing today about the course. You'll see there's a top 10 ways to have a successful term, a link to the student resources page, which has all kinds of goodies in there, and also important course information. You'll notice that there's a little table of contents here, and that's how things will be set up in your learning modules also. But you don't have to go in any certain order, so you can skip around and look at what you need to see and what you need. And so, however, you just click on the link and that takes you to that spot. Here are copies of your course syllabus. There's a Word document and also a PDF, and you'll also see the course schedule that just gives you an overview of what we'll be doing each week. Here's my contact information to tell you a little bit more about me. It tells you my name, obviously, email, work phone, those sort of things. It tells you a little bit about my background, my office hours, where I'm located, but really the best thing for you to do is to contact me by email, and then we can set up whatever we need to do, but that's the best way to make sure you catch me. I check my email several times a day. Each week you'll have a learning module that shows up on Sunday, and that is everything you need to be successful for that week. So this is for week 1, so we'll look in here. And as I said, you'll see that there's all kinds of different links here in this table of contents, but you just will click on each one you need. Let me go back there a second. You see here, this is a PDF that just has a checklist, so you can print it off and check off to make sure you do everything that you need to do for the week. There are videos, reading assignments, just a folder that has extra goodies in there, things, parts of the play, information that you might find interesting. And it'll be set up just like that every week. I wanted you to see here because there's a help spot, and there's also a place where you can post information, comments that you want to make, opinions, whatever that you want to make for your classmates. But also the help spot is somewhere that everybody can view. So if you have a question, there's a good chance somebody else will, so you can post it there. You'll have just your introduction assignment here, but the rest of your assignments are going to be in our groups. So you can't see that button right now because it's hidden from you, but I will get that. It'll be right down here, and I'll get that back up soon. These are just some other helpful resources. The Trojan Cafe has all kinds of things in it that can help you improve skills, and have an online writing center, forums, all kinds of different things. And then you'll just see there are other links here to the library, information about plagiarism, the student handbook, all that. You'll click on this link for your grades. Some various course tools that are available to you, some of the ones that you might be interested in. It's another way to get to groups. which we'll be using for discussion boards. Blackboard Instant Messenger, sign up for that, and I'm game anytime I'm signed in. If you have a question or you just want to say hello, you can go to your grades, you can go to the bookstore, send emails to your classmates. Smart Thinking, we'll talk about it more in a minute. And there's several other ones that you might use as well. Smart Thinking is a online tutor program that's available to you for free through Troy, and you can submit papers, you can drop in, and if you have a quick question, you can drop in and there'll be a live tutor there. You can schedule tutoring, you can send questions, and there's a lot of options for this, and it's all free to you, so make sure you take advantage of it. And finally, there's a link to the bookstore. These are those little things you're seeing before means that it's linking out, so don't think it's not working. It just is going to outside sources. And as I said before, there'll be another link here for groups, and that's where you'll go for your discussion board. So that is a tour of the class. I'm looking forward to it. Please let me know if you have any questions at any time, and I hope you have a wonderful term.